This is an easy way to make an inset. What I've done is I've cut thin boards and thicker boards that will together stack up to make a thickness that's like the rest of my box that the inset is for. This is the finished box with its inset on the cover. So, in order to make the inset, the first thing I'm going to do is cut a little cardboard the same size as the inset itself. I'll take a ruler and I will find the center of this. And then I'm going to bring it down here to the edge of my table, take my little triangle here that has an angled edge on it, and find the center and make a line through that. So now I have these lines on the cardboard. I'm going to do the same thing to the final piece that I will cut the inset from. Find the center by making two diagonals, and then take my triangle, make everything square here, use the ruler as an extension, and now I have the center line on the board like this. Now all I have to do is line the center of the two lines here, and all I have to do is decide on the height of the board, or where I want the inset to rest. It was about 1.5 inches on the sample, and that's about what I have here. So now I will take a pencil line and draw around this. And this will give me my general place for the inset. Now in order to cut that, I'll just set this on the end of my table here, like this. And then with the olfa knife, set that into the pencil line, or just outside the pencil line, because I want the inset to be just a little bit larger. Once the cloth goes over the board and into the inset, it will make the hole a little smaller. So I would like to have that a little larger. And I make it larger by putting the olfa knife just outside the pencil line that I put in. Hold the ruler steady and cut to the end. Then I'll slide over here. Put the olfa knife just outside. Push my square ruler up to the edge like that. Make the second cut. Now I'll take the ruler and do the same thing for the base of the square window here. And cut this out. And now I have a window, and I'm going to glue out this board and laminate the two so that I have an inset board. Always glue out the heavier board when you're doing this, because this, if you glue out the thin board, it may tend to warp as you put them together. These also have been cut with the grain running head to tail, as you would if you're doing any book. And now we have an inset board ready to be covered.